Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on display separately on role settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now click roles, now click here, and here as you see you'll find display separately. Click on it like this and click save, and that's it. That's how to turn on display separately on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.